In this tutorial, I'll show you how to add or replace an avatar in your video or audio recordings in Descript. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, AI avatars in Descript have come in as a game changer, and one of the questions I've received is how can you use an avatar instead of you? So for example, here I was talking about the eye contact feature in Descript. So you can see I'm looking to the side. Now, to change your avatar or this particular video into an avatar, it's super simple. Let's just go back to the start and just click on sample video. And once you do that, click on assign avatar to sample video. Click on that. And from here, you can browse the gallery for whatever avatar that you want. And because the voiceover is a male voiceover, I'm going to look for a man. Scroll down and let's say we go with this one. But you can also browse your own image and upload it here if you want to maintain the feel and look to your videos. So I'm going to go with this young man and then click on assign avatar. And once I do that, I'll need to generate the avatar as the last step so that it can sync more or less to this, and you can already see what is happening here. Now, something I've noticed, as you can notice the first frame here and the second frame, they're kind of different. So before you do anything, try and undo this particular part or delete it for that matter, because if you do it afterwards, you may need to regenerate the avatar again, and depending on the length of your file, then it might take a while. So I'll just click on generate avatar and then I'll just click on generate. It's going to prepare. Generating avatars can take a while, especially for longer videos. You can leave this page and return later to find avatars perfectly lip synced to your script. So that's what we're trying to leverage here. Maybe you are not looking on camera, you are literally reading a script and you kind of just want to have an avatar there. It would be kind of awesome to use this. So we're going to give it a couple of seconds to generate, and once it's done, we're going to see the result of our replacement of our video with an avatar, what it actually looks like. And it's almost ready for us to review and generated 100%. Your avatars are ready. From here you can edit your visuals all you want, but any changes you make to the script will require you to regenerate your avatar. Continue. Let's play this. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Descript's eye contact feature to simulate eye contact even when you're reading from a script. So as you can see, there's lip syncing and all that. So it's really good. The only thing I may need to apply to the audio is maybe some studio sound, because there's some sort of echo while I was recording. So that's the only thing I've noticed, but that is how you can add an avatar to your audio or video. So if you are dealing with an audio composition, then you assign an avatar, it becomes a video. For this one, we had a video. Now, how do you replace this avatar? So you just come back to sample video, update sample videos avatar. And from here, you can choose whatever you want. You can delete this and add your own. You can browse from here. Just maybe go with this young man, update avatar. And once you do that, you'll see that it's out of sync. This edit changed your script and all that because everything is different, and then you need to generate an avatar again. But that is how you can add or replace an AI avatar in your audio or videos in Descript. I hope this video is of value to you. Thanks for watching.